This is a 2014 Ford Expedition. It's got the 5.4. We just installed some split dual 4-inch exhaust tips on the rear, staggered them nice and clean. Left a single pipe, the factory pipe, and installed a Flowmaster 2-chamber muffler. It's all stock up front, factory Taylor converters. Just give it some sound. Let's see what it sounds like.